Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. This shoe originally released in 2006 and it is many people's grails. I mean, look at it. It is mean looking. But before we get into the shoe itself, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. So I'm gonna get my levitator for a change. Look, it's working. What an absolute miracle. But this shoe is as mean and as fierce as they come. Starting with the upper itself, it comes with a premium nubuck, soft to the touch. This material goes all the way across it, and this is countered expertly by the molded caging that you can see on the underlays. Coming completely blacked out, this sneaker is as fierce as it comes. This is then countered expertly by the nice graphite that you can see on the Nike Jumpman logo and flight, and then this, look at the metal hit for the Jumpman logo on the back as well. Rounded off with these lace loops that also come in the same black metallic material, this sneaker is absolutely exceptional in my opinion. Easily one of the perfect sneakers for the winter. Shame we're going into summer Nike. Maybe you could have thought about that a bit better, but who cares? Released in February the 22nd, retailing at £165. These have already dropped over in the States and there was an instant sellout, and expect exactly the same in Europe. And I'm not gonna lie, there's your first one of the video lads. Get the counter ticking down in the comments below. This shoe will have a nice resale value to it as well. But as per usual, rather than copying them to resale, just wear your goddamn sneakers because these are an absolute banger. Fitting true to size, I personally would go for a UK 10, as per usual. So if you want to gift me a pair, you guys are little legends. Available at many stockists such as Nike, Foot Locker and Offspring. This shoe is a must for me. To round it off, I've got one little fun fact for you. This is named after Michael Jordan's nickname. Apparently he was known as the Black Cat, but I do not know if that is true. So you can let me know down in the comments below, but that is what Google is telling me. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 4 Black Cat, and we'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Probably tomorrow because we're going to have like 5 in a row. See ya.